This is the Skoda Vision O concept car. It was first seen at IAA Munich 2025. It's a look at what a Skoda Octavia, a fully electric Skoda Octavia of about 5 years' time might look like. So we're here in Valencia to have a look round the car, have a very brief go in it as well. Okay, so full disclosure, there's not really a great deal we can tell you about this. This is all about looking at the visuals and getting a flavour of it. We don't even know if it's going to technically be a full battery electric vehicle. This one here is. The idea is that it will be, but it might be a range extender, it might be a plug-in hybrid. We're not sure yet, but basically just assume electric vehicle for now. The key thing on this car is the tech loop. This is this shape across the front of the car. Very, very distinctive. Now it makes it look like a concept car, but it also, you could almost see that making production or something very similar. So we've also got obviously the light up Skoda badge here and a Vision O badge down here for the concept car. So it's a very clean, very aggressive looking piece of styling. So we're going to move down the side of the vehicle now. Now, Skoda is known for estates, or combis as they're known in some markets. So the Vision O is actually a combi, it's an estate. I'll come to that in a second. Show car here is sitting on 21-inch wheels. They're aerodynamically optimized. That's what you want for an EV. Very, very clean lines. It's very neat and tidy down the side. We've got integrated door handles here, small door mirrors, really interesting B-pillar arrangement here, and obviously suicide doors that open out opposite ways like this. But yeah, you can see long estate roof line back here, and you know, great stance, great looks on it. It'd be a really good looking car. Okay, here we are at the back of the Skoda Vision O. Really nice light signatures, very futuristic looking. It's all really clean. Obviously we've got a light up Skoda badge across the back here. Again, the big Vision O badging on the back. As you can see, looks very much like an electric vehicle. As I mentioned earlier, it's an estate or a combi. Now this is a show car, so the button to open it is here. And this is the boot. Now the one fact we have about this car is Skoda has revealed the boot capacities of it, which is brilliant. That's very Skoda. It's 650 litres with all seats in use, and 1700 litres if you fold those seats down. So like a proper Skoda combi, it's a really practical, really sizable car. Right, we're going to go inside the Skoda Vision O now, but as you can see, look, proper concept car doors. We call those suicide doors at the back, but they open really wide, no B-pillar. So climbing into the car. So it's a very comfortable car, very spacious in here. All the dashboard materials that are used in here are all recycled and used for, you know, ecological purposes. The key thing in here is this horizon display right across the front of the car. It's 1.2 meters wide, huge great screen across the front of the car. That we think will actually become a feature of Skoda's in years to come. There's a big portrait touchscreen here. There's been some real use of, like I say, recycled materials. We've got recycled materials down here and in the floor wells. The seats are all made of recycled material and leather from other cuts of leather that are used in the industry. And then we've got 3D printed headrests up here, head restraints. Yeah, it's a really proper sort of concept car interior, really clean, really wide, really spacious. But the interesting thing is definitely that full width horizon display on the dashboard. It's really, really quite dramatic. And hopefully that will make it into production Skodas and into whatever this car becomes, whether it's an Octavia or whether it's badged something else, different size. That's a key feature to have a look at. Yeah, really nice. Obviously this is a concept car. It is incredibly priceless. If there can be such a value on things. Basically, not a lot in here is functional. So, and we're going to be driving it really, really slowly for a very short period of time. So it's really just to sort of get a feel of the platform and what the car feels like in the move. But obviously we're not going to be talking about high speeds and ride comfort and handling or anything like that, or even, you know, what the motors and power delivery feels like, because this is a concept car. So here we go. So obviously it's an electric car, completely silent, moves nicely, feels pretty well, pretty cohesive. Not like with some concept cars that you can drive where, you know, you can tell they're not really ready to be out in the world or working. But yeah, The idea of this becoming a Skoda Octavia or some sort of electric car of that size, or you know, a range extended electric car, let's say, perhaps even a plug-in hybrid, we'll have to wait and see what happens with legislation on electric cars and hybrids and all that kind of thing. But yeah, this could be a really impressive car if this becomes Skoda's electric family car, hatchback and estate combi. It's going to be a lovely looking thing if it can be anything like it looks on the outside, and using any of this sort of interior architecture. It wouldn't be quite as dramatic as this. There would be all the things that would have to change for safety reasons and for reasons of ergonomics and how you operate things. But like I say, that big dashboard up front and the view in here and the airiness, it's a nice thing, and it's a privilege to be driving something like this. Obviously this has only been seen at the Munich show, so to even have a go as brief as that, very rewarding. So that was our quick look round the Skoda Vision O concept car and a very, very brief drive in it. Obviously this is a very special piece of kit. This is a concept car. It's probably going to go off to Skoda's storage department and be kept for posterity. But what we've seen so far, this will be a really impressive car if it can come to market. Anything looking like this, it won't be a million miles away. It's not as dreamlike as some concept cars we've seen in the past. Obviously there'll be changes to made, but so far, first impressions, lovely looking thing. Let's see what it turns into.